Imagine a future where artificial intelligence takes over all medical imaging tasks. But is this really happening? Let's explore why AI isn't replacing radiologists. Radiologist demand has grown by 17% despite the rise of AI in imaging. This suggests that while AI is present, it complements rather than replaces human expertise. In 2026, AI-human collaboration is enhancing diagnostic accuracy and reducing burnout among radiologists. This partnership shows that AI is expanding capabilities, not replacing roles. AI cannot replicate human qualities such as compassion and ethical judgment, which are crucial in medicine. These aspects ensure that radiologists remain irreplaceable. At Mayo Clinic, AI is used to sharpen images, automate routine tasks, and predict diseases, but it still requires human interpretation for comprehensive diagnoses. The real danger isn't AI making radiologists obsolete, it's the refusal of radiologists to adapt and integrate with AI technology. Those who evolve will thrive. In conclusion, while AI enhances medical imaging, its role is as a tool that augments the skills of radiologists rather than replaces them. This partnership ensures better patient care. So there you have it. AI complements radiology without replacing it. What did you find most surprising? Share your thoughts in the comments.